So it's always quite difficult. I think it's a real challenge to be able to put in place regulation around something that's moving so quickly, and to get that balance between, getting it done and also getting it right. I think the complaint around the EU AI Act is that it can stifle innovation, and there have certainly been some examples that people will draw to. So Apple Intelligence hasn't been rolled out in the EU as quickly as it has elsewhere. And it's easy to say, I think, that that's because of the regulation. Actually, in this case, it's the Digital Markets Act, which says there's a requirement for interoperability. So other developers can feed into this. And Apple, as we've seen before, have basically said, well, this is kind of our thing. We don't want anyone else to come in here. There are some concerns about security and data privacy, but it's a little bit of, actually the walled garden. So in this case, the EU very much wants things to be more open, to actually enable the innovation so that other companies can come in and find a different aspect and a different use case. So the problem as it's portrayed is that the regulations is stopping things and slowing it down. But actually on the flip side, I would say that regulation is enabling a circle of trust, effectively, to say, this is how we want to behave ethically, this is some of the things we need from a transparency point of view, but also here are some frameworks to go about and do that, so that as users, we come and interact with an AI system. First of all, we know we're talking to an AI system, which is a key concept of the EU AI Act, but then also we know that where that's making decisions for us, we have the right to appeal it, and it's building that trust. So it means companies have some safety and security in knowing what the rules are in the playground that they're in, and then also us as users can come in and have some faith and confidence in the system, knowing it's underpinned by this regulation.